This crispy rice paper seafood omelet is a game changer. Stick around and see the secret that make it extra crispy. It is absolutely amazing. You can make 2 omelets in 10 minutes. And you only need a few simple ingredients. Thinly slice the cabbage. Shred the carrot. If the cabbage and carrots that we cut this time is a little too much, we can also save it for next time. And chop some scallions. To save time, just grab a pre-packaged coleslaw mix. It works perfectly. In a bowl, add the seafood mix. We have here some mussels, squid, and shrimp. Season them with salt and white pepper. Mix well. You can also replace them with ham, sausage, or any leftover meat. Rice paper is available in most Asian supermarkets and many superstores like Target, Walmart, and Amazon. In a pan over medium heat, place a sheet of rice paper on it. Yup, the rice paper is completely dry. Crack an egg in the center and spread it out. Next, add the seafood mix, cabbage, and carrots, and some scallions too. Cook until softened for about 1 minute. Fold it in half. Many online sources skip this step, which can result in a chewy rice paper instead of a crispy texture. To ensure the rice paper becomes super crispy, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Cook until golden brown on both sides. In a small pot over medium heat, add the water, rice vinegar, ketchup, sugar, and salt. Whisk and bring it to a simmer. Then add the cornstarch slurry. We have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until it is thickened. You can eat the omelets the way they are, or pair them with my sweet and sour sauce. My daughters love anything that's crispy. So with this crispy rice paper omelet, I get them to happily eat eggs, veggies, and seafood all in 1 bite. They finish everything in just a few minutes. If you also like to make crispy rice paper dumplings, check out the video right here. That was absolutely delicious and I love it. So please comment below and let me know what are your favorite fillings for omelets. If you like a copy of my cookbook, check out the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow and step-by-step Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!